Welcome to Remarkable Stories, where we bring you inspiring tales of ordinary people making extraordinary differences. Every story we share is a testament to the power of human resilience, compassion, and the belief that one person can change the world. Sit back and let these stories fill you with hope and motivation. In a small village nestled between hills, far from the conveniences of modern life, lived a close-knit community. For generations, they faced a daily struggle for clean water. Every day, the women and children of the village would walk miles under the scorching sun, carrying heavy containers to collect water from a distant, murky river. This water was their lifeline, but it was far from clean. Among the villagers was Amina, a woman known for her strength and compassion. Amina had always dreamed of a better life for her community, a life where clean water was not a luxury, but a basic right. One day, after yet another long journey to the river, Amina decided it was time for change. She began researching, reading, and planning. She knew that bringing clean water to the village would not be easy, but she was determined to find a way. Amina reached out to local officials, explaining the dire situation of her village. She spoke with passion and conviction, and soon, her pleas for help began to gain attention. But Amina knew that she couldn't do it alone. She rallied her community, inspiring them to come together and work towards a common goal. They pooled their resources, shared their skills, and began to build the infrastructure needed for a clean water system. The villagers worked tirelessly, digging trenches, laying pipes, and constructing a water tank. It was hard work, but with every step, they grew closer to their goal. Finally, the day arrived, with the whole village gathered around. Amina turned the tap, and clean water flowed out. The joy and relief that filled the air were palpable. This was the moment they had all worked so hard for. The village erupted in celebration. For the first time in their lives, they had access to clean water, thanks to Amina's vision and the community's hard work. The sense of accomplishment and unity was stronger than ever. Amina's efforts transformed her village. With clean water, they now had the foundation for a healthier, more prosperous future. And though the journey had been long and challenging, it had brought them closer together and showed them what was possible when they united for a common cause. Amina's story is a testament to the power of determination, community, and the belief that one person can make a difference. In her village, Amina will forever be remembered as a hero, the woman who brought clean water and hope to her community. Thank you for watching this episode of Remarkable Stories. If you found Amina's journey as inspiring as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.